livestock can often take a backseat to row crops when it comes to talking about insurance coverage. However, recent consolidation has many renewing their focus on protection options. Brooks York with AgriSompo joins us now with the latest. So thank you for your time, Brooks, as always. And I mean, usually we have you on here to talk about crop insurance, but livestock also plays a factor into this, of course, right? So let's start with some of the basics on how livestock protection works.
You know, Liza, you're exactly right. It does take a little bit of a backseat, a little bit of focus. AgriSompo has kind of renewed that focus on livestock here over the last few months. We've got some systems enhancements that are coming up here in the near future, and really just kind of our attitude and our proactive approach to livestock has changed. Livestock, in my opinion, is probably the most efficient protection method that farmers have out there, even better than row crops. We really look at the amount of time that a producer wants to insure what they produce. We look at the price. We look at the number of head, the number of pounds, and so it's very efficient, and it's truly customizable. I think that's my favorite aspect of it.
Sure, that's a favorite aspect to the producers as well, to have it customizable and it being efficient, of course. And obviously the livestock industry has consolidated. So let me ask you, is this coverage just for our larger producers?
You know, that's the beauty of it. It's for everybody. So, you know, if you've got a job in town, you've got 30 cows in the back pasture, there's a policy that fits out there. If you identify primarily as a row crop farmer, have cattle on the farm just because that's what the history of the farm has been, and you don't really think about that as your primary way of living, there's a policy out there that fits. So small to large, everybody can get involved in this protection.
And as you know, prices have remained strong for quite some time now in most of the livestock sector. So when is this sales season going to start?
And this is the beauty of it. So unlike row crops, where we have dates where producers have to make those decisions on coverage levels, every day is sales season when it comes to most of the livestock policies that are out there. So, you know, if you like a certain price out there, if you are on a regimen as far as you know, when you're going to have calves hit the ground, you can pick that number of weeks, the number of pounds you got out there, and it's really a strong fit. So every single day.
Good stuff. So for livestock producers that are listening in, where can they learn more about this protection?
Well, obviously, you can go to several different RMA sites. We've got an AgriSompo.com website. You can follow the links there to livestock and learn more. Obviously, talk to your crop insurance agent. They're going to know quite a bit about it. If they need some help, we've always got business development reps out there from the AgriSompo team that would love to teach them a little bit more about these policies.
Great insight, as always, Brooks. Happy to talk about the livestock side of things, as we usually have you on to talk about crop insurance. So thank you so much again for joining us this morning. That's Brooks York with AgriSompo.